Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment and opening the project. First, ensure Android Studio and JDK 11 or newer are installed and that the Android SDK is reachable. Once you open the project folder in Android Studio, Gradle will begin syncing. Let it finish. If prompted, accept plugin updates and install missing SDK components. While the sync runs, check the event log for errors so you can address them immediately and avoid wasted time later. Next, resolve dependencies and create a reliable build. You inspect build. Gradle files to confirm SDK versions and dependency compatibility. Update any mismatches. Once done, run clean project and then rebuild project to make compilation errors visible. Meanwhile, configure an Android virtual device or connect your phone with USB debugging enabled. This ensures you can run quickly. If the rebuild fails, read the stack trace, fix the first error, and rebuild, one fix at a time, so you isolate root causes effectively. Finally, run the app and complete final checks. Choose your emulator or connected device, click Run, and watch the Run Tool window and Logcat for startup messages. Make sure the app launches and the expected activity appears. If installation fails, uninstall previous builds or change the application ID to avoid conflicts. If crashes occur, use Logcat filters and the stack trace to find the failing class and line. One key tip: rerun Gradle with stack trace for detailed error context when build problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.